Have you ever wondered what parenting really means? It's not just about giving hugs or saying no. Let's break it down together. Imagine parenting is like gardening. Just as a gardener nurtures plants, parents help their children grow. They provide support, love, and guidance. Now let's break down this gardening idea into 3 parts: love, guidance, and discipline. Each part is important for a healthy garden or a happy child. First, love is like sunshine. It warms and nurtures your child, making them feel safe. For example, giving hugs or saying "I love you" helps them grow strong. Next, guidance is like watering the plants. It helps them learn and develop. This means showing them how to do things, like sharing or solving problems. Lastly, discipline acts like pruning the plants. It helps them understand boundaries. This might mean setting rules like bedtime to keep them safe and healthy. In summary, parenting is all about providing love, guidance, and discipline. It's like being a gardener, nurturing your child's growth with care. So next time you think about parenting, remember it's not just about rules. It's about nurturing your child's growth, just like a gardener does with their plants.